Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about alter command and its usage. Alter command will use for in SQL statements once the table is created successfully. In later time, if we require to add a new column and the new requirement, the changes whenever you assume to prepare a software application, it may be the product may changes may require on every time till the product is streamlined. If the minor changes are appearing and the requirements, you have to do the modifications whether the program logic and the table structures and the table database. The structure it ultimately it's created with the relationship of the database tables and one or two columns and data types and the column names adding and the lengths of the data you have to modifications to be required. And now this is the alter command will help you to remove complete table and creating new table rather than you simply using this alter command to modify your database structure and column structure and the particular data column. Adding, removing and altering the alteration will help you more. How it is going to be executed? In my this simple example, I'm going to teach you a very simple two alter command statements. By using this very basic knowledge, you will extend what the parameters, how it's going to be executed and do the modifications. By using and applying what are the corrections you require to do in table and the database, creation of the alteration of the table, columns, data types, and the modification of that, and like a changing of the name of the tables, anything can be possible. All what you have to know, what are the provisions are available, you should learn it, right? See how it is doing. My database table is created successfully. We have a seen T1 table, right? And this is the structure. Just give me a second, I'll show you the T1 table. The T1 table is in previous lectures also we have used the T1 table from the beginning. We have created here ID product name trans date. This is the table structure. Go to the click here on the structure, you'll see the table structure. This structure, if you want to know and want to add one more column, how it would be. See, very simple. How it is like writing alter you have to initiate and the name of the table you have to specify which table you are going to be altering. Alter space name of the table. Table you can write here and like alter table name. Sorry, alter table. This is the table I am going to be altering and the name of the table is one. Add the column command. Add the column. What is the column I'm going to add the column and add the column means it's a here product name it is there. Now one more column I'm going to add for item name. Let's say item name and the data type varchar and what is the length of the varchar data type around 255 I'm taking or else 250 will take. Terminate, select and execute the query statement. Now let's see here. Yeah, I'll refresh here the structure. You'll see the item name here. Have you got it? And after the column name also we can specify at the end of the alter table. Then it will comes automatically product's name before down to the product name itself. Whereas simple command, if I written alter table name, add column item name. This is the name of the column I'm going to adding to this particular T1 table with the data type. It is the mentioned here. It is the data type. It is 250. It is showing. That's it. If you want to know this is not null, you can specify right here. It is not null. You have to specify and after what is the column name you have to require after you have to write here after and after means this is the column name you have to specify after the product underscore name. Then it will create after the product's name with the not null. Okay, that's simple, pretty easy to alter you by using the alter command to alter the database tables irrespective of the column names and data types, and adding the n number of columns, we can use it. Very simple. And now I would like to discuss you more about to like renaming the column name. I have created item name. This is the column you have seen here successfully, right? And I want to change it. It's not an item name. It's a like a item's name. One S will be added here. How can I change? It's a simple technique that is alter table. That is the table name. Instead of using add keyword, you use rename. Okay, and what I am renaming the column and the name from item name to, you remove this one data type, item name to, what is the new column name? Items only. I'm going to adding, so just simply use items name. Now let's see here. Let's check here. Now, comma is not required. MySQL is not supporting to. We'll see now. Remove the comma and go here. To position to 42. Something is getting error. We'll let you know. Wait. Yeah. See here that alter columns. To do alter table name, change is keyword is supporting for 5.7 till in MySQL. Strongly remember the keyword earlier I have applied for rename. That rename is an 8.0 of MySQL database. It is supporting the till version. Okay, and most of the databases are using rename keyword only in SQL statement. In MySQL, this is the version 5.7. You have to use for keyword of change from old name to new name. You have to specify here with the data type. What is the data type which is going to be following with this particular column? Like the item name, I'm changing to items name. Okay, now see here, alter table column table name, change from old name column name to new column name with the one single space only. It's required. Okay, and the data type, what is the data type which is already existing, is available with this column. Okay, now go. Let's check here, refresh. Now see here, items name with the data type. All right, this is the way by using alter command to do the modifications and alterations of all what are the requirements are available in alteration. You can check it, and simply I can give you a Google it alter command in MySQL. You check it where there is plenty of information which is available in manual of MySQL. You choose there and go to the manual where we can simplify and apply alter command. It will be display you with the examples. Okay, alter option, column, first column, index, and all the information you will check here, which will be available. The dropping, adding of the partitions, primary keys, and all the information you will get it. Right? Hopefully, you have a good idea how to alter the table with the simple commands of SQL statements. Thanks for watching this session. Thank you.